Have you ever found yourself pondering what might transpire if you attempted to hack into Google? Well, sit back and allow me to regale you with a tale of curiosity, audacity, and digital intrigue. Once upon a time, in the vast landscape of the internet, there was a daring explorer. This explorer, armed with a robust understanding of technology and a thirst for knowledge, decided to take on the digital titan that is Google. Now, Google isn't just your average search engine. It's a colossal fortress, teeming with complex algorithms, intricate codes, and some of the most advanced cybersecurity measures known to mankind. Attempting to hack into this digital behemoth is akin to trying to scale Everest without a guide or gear. The explorer began the day equipped with a hot cup of coffee and a burning desire to conquer this digital Everest. He spent the morning hours poring over research, studying Google's architecture, and devising a plan of attack. His strategy was not to cause havoc, but to understand the fortifications that kept this digital fortress impregnable. By midday, the hacking attempt was in full swing. The explorer was immersed in lines of code, navigating the labyrinth that is Google's back-end. He danced around firewalls, tiptoed past security protocols, and even had a few close encounters with Google's artificial intelligence watchdogs. As the sun began to set, the explorer found himself at a virtual impasse. He had come far, but the heart of Google remained elusive. Each attempt to delve deeper was met with a more formidable security measure. It was like a game of chess, where every move was countered with a stronger defensive strategy. In the end, the attempt to hack Google was unsuccessful. It was a journey filled with intrigue and discovery, but ultimately, the fortress held strong. Google's defenses proved to be as formidable as they were reputed to be, a testament to the company's commitment to security and user privacy. So there you have it, the tale of a daring explorer and his attempt to hack into one of the world's most secure digital fortresses. It's a story that serves as a reminder of the power of technology, the importance of cybersecurity, and the futility of trying to breach a system designed to protect billions of users worldwide. In the world of digital exploration, not every expedition leads to a treasure. Sometimes the journey itself is the reward. And in this case, the attempt to hack Google was just that, an adventure into the unknown, a test of skill and determination, and a fascinating glimpse into the world of advanced cybersecurity.